Yo, Wagwan fam. Hope you're doing alright. I know it's been a couple of days, but my back in on the side. Yo, I can sing, you know. I can sing. Oh, hell no! Anyway, people, Wagwan. Hope everybody doing good. Hope everybody doing well. Before we do anything else, before we say anything else, make me jump into the shoutouts, because this is well overdue. You understand? So, make me big up the people who need to get big up. So, in a couple of videos ago, I asked the question, what have a neck but not no head? How people come by shirt? Shirt not have no neck, shirt have color, yo. Shirt have color. So how people come by, it's like one person says shirt and everybody starts a shirt. No, dog, no. And one person go outside the box and say bicycle. Yeah, that can go on. Bicycle neck, yeah, shirt not have no neck, brother. Shirt have color. Shirt have color. Jamaica'S shirt neck. No. So the answer is buckle. Bicycle can go on too. So I could pick up some people at random. So here we go. I hope somebody say everybody name right, you know.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Akavele.
What the hell did you just say?
Oh my God.
Akavele. Big up yourself, Akavele. Hope somebody say your name right, like me say, God. That name they does, you know. Matthew Wilson, big up yourself. Javis Sangster, big up yourself. The Zone, big up yourself. Puppy Unicorns, big up yourself. Bam OTF, big up yourself. Al Reed, big up yourself. Poochie Brown, big up yourself. Debbie Walters, big up yourself. And last but not least, the average gamer, big up yourself, big up yourself. How is everybody doing? I hope everybody doing good. So as you can see on the screen, we have somebody who look like Franklin, but is not Franklin. I have some new features because obviously I have been doing mods. So honestly, people, me get a new house. Me just install a new house a while ago and me not check it out yet. Me know about it there, but me not check it out yet. So we're gonna check it out together. So I could just jump straight tonight. Look how Franklin has swag in I'm J's and thing. Franklin shows. Look for Franklin shows, people. Hope you like Franklin shows. And here again, your boy. So people, if you not enjoy these episodes, before you do anything else, please make sure you like these episodes, liking the video, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being here. The channel is about to get madder and madder because we have some different mods. So on the map, as you can see, my map look different too. So we have a new house. Is it there, sir? Oh, I'm not thinking of this, sir. So people, this is my Ferrari. You hear it a while ago start up. So you can't crash already. You're mad. So I could head straight over there. Over the new house and show you Wagwan. Wagwan, baby, on the lordy, man. So basically, if you look down on the right hand side in a green there, so it say me have an active warrant, which I do. So I have to drive carefully, or this police are gonna pull me over and stop me like them always do and give me ticket. But right now, I have an active warrant, but I don't care. You other carry a load, you know? Over to my new house. So like me say, people, I download that one here and I never even look on it. I never go over there. I know about, oh, police up there. So basically, I have a mods also where if me drive and broke the law, police I go forward after me. If me run red light, if me go at anything, if me speed, I get ticket. So I have an active warrant now. When me do something earlier on where the warrant is still there for me. So if police see me, them I go forward after me. But you know my thing already. I'm a big driver now, so the police can't chat to me. Ferrari my drive, so I'm fast. Think fast. Oh, police, wait. What me do? Oh, enemy them a come off, sir. Enemy them a come off. Them good. Let me just touch my car a while ago, but I just man them thing there. Oh, dog, where do you care like my one? Let me see if I care like mine. If I want like mine, I kill you. Who get that car there? Hey, you know, so one of them carry a mech. No, hold on. Me save your life. Chop, man. Where do a while ago? You idiot. You let me car. Oh, police. Oh, shit. Go past. Oh, I can't go past. Oh, God. Police are go far after me now. Because I kid a little idiot waste, man. Anyway. Go back my yard. So we're going to do a house tour, another one here, and we're going to do an ice setup. Some ice setup until we get to the ice. So bear with me, people. If you not enjoy them episode, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. But the police are going. Let me see if I can beat him, because I have an active warrant and I can't take no police check here right now. Oh, we need some gas? Yeah, we need some gas. May I get some gas? I gotta get some gas. Yeah, the man about me in love with you. Who am I talk to? Brighty? I need more gas, man. Come, fill up my gas. Alright, no man, I fill up the tank. Fill up the tank, my brother. Oh, yes, man, what? Yeah. All store I'm going here now, people. I know I have been a bit quiet lately, but because I did install the mods and because I have to start all over again. So I'm quite happy with police. I wonder if I can reach up my hand before them spot me. So I'm close to my yard anyway. On the map, I think. So I forgot now one bridge. Where the bridge? See the bridge, yeah. And then after I go under the bridge, also pass up on your right. Alright, go under the bridge, yeah. And see the house here. 7709. Yes, I live. Mansion me there now. Yalshan. Drive in my yard. Watch there. It's all a dream, people. You're parking in a garage. Look there. Come garage. Okay. My car locking up. So I can open it back. See there? Car lock up. What? Yo! What that way I got? Me and my house. Yo, the thing. Load. Alright. I could go do a house tour. Furthermore, when I like how the boss look. Oh, that pan him head. Oh, me know over. Put it on. My COVID mask there. So my COVID mask. Yeah, dog. COVID mask for the both of them. So when the police approach me, them have to keep them distance. Them I got dead. Alright, so what is? In a shower. On garage just then. Okay, we just coming out of the garage. This is like a second. Yeah, like a garage, yeah. Alright, cool. Let me say the first, I swear to God, people, the first me I go walk around the house here and check. Me no reach part on the map it there, like me say, but at the first me I go check it out. So me could go check out in here, so and see what I go on. Remember say a real life mod done, so me can run up and down in a real life thing, you know. So I'm swimming pool here. Indoor. Glasses, okay. Franklin, you can take off your mask, brother. Take off your mask. Yeah, man. Show me pretty face and looking at my pretty glass them. You see me? Wow, okay. This is like a little bar thing. Wow, okay. What up on the wall? Girl, ladies, darling. Over here, like a little place where they can sit down and have a little meeting or chat. And you know, so it's a next little meeting room. Wow, you know, so nice, dog. Wow, you know, so nice, brother. You know, so nice. Let me say the first. Me come in, so I never know about everything there. What is this one now? Like a cafe. McDonald's in here? Wait, McDonald's in the house? Yo, serve. Yo, McDonald's in the house. But the toilet door you need to keep locked because you can't have McDonald's there, so and then the toilet open. Like that don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. Also, people, I go no regular another one or two, so stay tuned for that one there. Who that on my wall? Where you do on my wall? Who that? Who that on my wall, people? If you don't know who that, let me know in the comment section. Because I don't know who that on my wall. Anyway, forward back runner, sir. Come on, already? No, yeah, I'm coming already. Forward back runner, sir. No, hold on, the man. Because I'm walk slow, so I probably need to jog. Whoa. Look here. People, look here. That's rich. Imagine having this in a real life, people. Imagine having a house in a real life. Like, imagine. Shano. Dreams. Watch ya. Surround sound. Who that from now? Is that what name? Who that? Think that person look like, you don't even know who that still, but him look familiar to me still, but I don't know. Anyway, whatever. Come back out here, sir. Oh, hold on. I have to show them my house in the people. I can't go like some I don't want to show them the thing. You see me call, like me said, the first me I see to pool. Watch out, infinite. Don't go in there, man. You have a phone in your pocket. Your phone go better up, daddy. Watch out, infinite. Walk over. Beach. No self. Watch out. That look like my yacht, you know. Watch the people. Yo, my thing. What? Hold on, upstairs. Me not go upstairs yet. Hold on, the man. Downstairs. There's one downstairs part. All right. Hold on. Do it properly. So then surfboard. If more got this, I go surf. All right. That's rich. Why me give my mouse? Where that video for? I will design that house, man. Let me put the video so far. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Wow.
It's rich.
Like outside, like a you know, my girl can have a like a why yo telescope. Me can spy on them either to over this. Any trespassers, boy, yeah. Them I got that or that. I hear that. Yeah, me think loud enough. Think loud, man. Ask the public, I swear. Think loud to show. Loud. Outside table. Whoa. This look nice. People. If you don't like that house, yeah, let me know in the comment section which part pan it on the down like. Let me know there. So nobody can commit suicide by jumping down there, so. You look a bad pick in there we have. Can go through that what? Nope, can't go through that. Alright, cool. How many people so close to me? Like, nobody not feel over here, you know? Me don't want nobody over here, you know? Nobody not feel over here. I don't check out my bedroom yet, you know? Whoa! This is where all the magic happens.
Will you keep quiet?
Magic. Yeah, whatever. Magic. Go on for the shoes. Go on the shoes for you idiot. Nemo. Finding Nemo on TV. Load. This is how I run us up. Oh, I have so much. Look table and table in the house. Jacuzzi. Yo. This sick. That house is sick. I love that house, yeah. Shower room, you know. TV in here? Cheese. This is really a girl stand. The only thing this is missing now is a big party. I wonder if we can show a party. I'm gonna see if we can show a party now. Who you talk to? Hey boy, where you there? Who you talk to? Know yourself, you know? Know yourself. Trigger finger them healthy. Know yourself. What is the FSC? Alright, we don't see that already. So hold on, now one bedroom that house you have? Big house like this have one bedroom? Jump over. Yeah. On the balcony.
Bobby, to me have this thing where you call it balcony. 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 I've listed on my people. Please see with me. Balcony.
Boy, if you don't get...
Oi. Private beach. Stay off on the beach. Oh!
Oh, crap.
Oh! Ooh! Karma is a B-I-T-C-H. So I can press F9 on the keyboard and show no an overhead view of the house, which is nice. Go up into the sun. Watch there. Right, that's nice, man. That's nice, man. Okay, so now that the house tour is over, I could go do a bank robbery or something, because I need to get some money in my clothes. Because like you see, I just spend out for my house. So I could jump in on a bad car that I have now. Which car am I pick? Somebody over up on the live where they asked me to pick the Skyliner, drive the Skyliner. So see the Skyliner here, I go drive it, go up on one robbery. Put it in a black for now. So the Skyliner, I go get driven, go up at the. Let me go. So bank robbery time, the Skyliner, I get driven, go up at the robbery. Oh, police. And me? Oh, somebody might run down. See the Skyliner here, people. It tells out the Skyliner for the person walking to drive the Skyliner in the video. I'm gonna do a bank robbery now. Get some money on my clothes. Ooh! They're fast in that. Oh, police. We're on there. Ease up. Ease out. Remember, say, one regular come up, another one of people, so stay tuned for it. You see me? Yeah, carry fast, man. Real fast. Police can't hold me. A nice car. 160 miles per hour. Watch there. Good driving. No self. The police are go. None of them up here, sir. Can't hold me. Fast. No self. Watch it. Car clean.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Never mean to do that. Me never break in time. But some crashes are gonna come. So me not perfect. Nobody not perfect. So don't judge me. Don't judge me. Ooh, that where that come from? Police. No self. Me I pass through the area. Me have an active warrant, you know, so. Oh!
Something alright?
No. Ooh.
Something alright, yeah.
Jump over. Part the next car. Wow, that was. Move on, Mr. Man. I stop beep. I'm knocking in your face. Alright, get a nice Skyliner. Because the one the damage. I'm the one over there, so I can't get it. Here we go. Bank up, I'm going now. I'm going to rob the bank. Police, watch out, police. I'm going now. Ooh!
That is more stupid than an invincible traffic light.
Oh, sorry, police.
Just what I need. Only.
Suspect wanted. Alright, 101. You come stop me or what? Where you stop me or what? You not stop me. You go shoot. Surrounded by who? By you? If so be surrounded, I want police over there, sir. I'm a good man, boss him head. Where wait, pam? Moving, Nana? Moving. Let me give you something to move into. Come on, man. Moving, man. Chat in our chat, man. They not do nothing, man. They not do nothing. Bad. But suspect moving it. But moving. Ooh, police again on a bike. I mean, that means I can't rob no bank then, man. Lick him off. Lick him off, you know.
Lame ass bitch.
Hey, girl. Police, watch it, man. Watch it, man.
We have guns too if it's war, it's war. Police dying.
Know yourself. Know yourself, man. What you do? What you try? Know yourself, man. I can park up on a bike in a road and I waste taxpayer money gas. Go, man. Alright, so we need to have a nice car, a fast car. This one is quick enough, I think. Let me get away car. So I need to park when we can park it. Let's park it at the back of the building, because it's going to get rough. No, is that good park? Escape from them. Alright, like you think I want me? No? Yeah? Alright, cool. Alright. So left it here, so. Left it. No, not that, sir. Left the car there, sir. Lock it. Yeah, lock it. Go in there now, go rob a bank here. Hey, what? Oh yeah, hey, what? What you want? You love man?
Okay.
Move and go, you love man. You love man? Boy, hey. Don't hey me youth. You don't. Will you take picture? What me tell you something like? Me no like no picture take. Go from yourself. Know yourself. Cut. Oh, Tada. I'm here. Robbery.
Night, old friend.
Robbery, me rob this. Yo, what go on? What go on in yourself? Me shot you there. Yo, money. Oi, you hear me? Money. Come out yourself with it. Come out yourself. What go on? What me for do? Money no man? Carry me got your vault, man. What happened to you? Who them idiot up on the wall? Oh no. Open it. Open the thing, no man. Robbery. Thank you very much. Grab the goal. Police are coming up. Police outside and I know that, you know, so. Come on. Take them. Money. Goal. Rob me, I rob this. No self, man. 4 stars out the door. Oh God, me I go dead. Alright, one more vault there. Open the vault, I'm ready. Hold on, I'm gonna vault and oh, sit here. Okay. Come. Come, quick. Hurry up, no man. Money. Nearly 3 million. 3 million gone, yeah. 3.1, 3.3, 3.5, 3.7. Lohood. Alright, so I'm gonna number I need. No son of police out here, you know. Pit authorized. Get my car. Quick. Fast car. Oh, it's locked now? That's something like lock car now. Quick. Oh. Alright, we need to escape. Which one to go? Alright, they're gonna saw. Escape from them boy. Who that? Man, they flash up on them up. I never know who. We need gas. Oh crap. Why have I never buy gas before? Oh crap. Go in a gas station. Quick. Buy some gas. Where them boy come? Full up my tank. Quick, no man. Change my car color. Blue. Because them just say black. Full up. Alright, cool. Oh, out. Keep it steady. Alright, ready. Let's go. Let's get there from them boy, you know. Roadblock. Uh-oh. No self. Ice man. Oh. Ice man boy. Blue car? Alright. White car. Know yourself. Reverse. Quick. Change my color. Yeah. Alright, my tank full of gas. Pocket full of money. Oh!
I am in pain. I am in severe pain. I can't touch this neck anymore.
Vehicle identify them. Just identify my vehicle after all this time. Might have to change and get a different car till you know. Alright, here I go. I'm going to change car in that tunnel. Alright, here what the boy them identify my vehicle. So here what get a Ferrari. Roll out. Ferrari may roll out, you know. Police is up there, you know. So alright, slow down. Slow down, cause what they don't know that carrier, you know. That carrier new to them, you know. Watch out. Oh, it might come. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. Don't worry yourself, man. Let me go use them off, man. I guess pan ooh. I even flash a voice for me. Know yourself. Know yourself. Know yourself. Know yourself. Know yourself. No. What am I doing? Where? Left, right. Left, right. Yeah, left, right. Left, your back. Left, your. You're up on the wrong side of the road. Watch it. Come on for this. Sunday show is not gone in now. Go up in a Sunday left them boy, yeah. I'm here. Man have to get to it. Man have to make it out here. Yeah. Up in a Sunday's me there now. Boy, them pick up my vehicle star. Watch it, dog! When I road and do the manual. You need to lose them police here now. You need to lose them police here quick and fast. Okay, here we go. Alright, I do something. Helicopter out again in the dark. Do you know? Alright, over there. What was the point of that? But left them a road. Bomb it! Watch I'm driving there. Yo! What a Mohammed! Watch it with the spike strips. With the spike strips, man. Watch it. Sightings me I play with you now. No self. No self police. Me I forget where the money. What? Want enough money now? Watch it. Uh-oh. 3.7 mil? Well, they can't catch me. Tell us when they can't catch me, man. I'm gonna change my car again. You piss me off. You buy for who? You buy for your ma. Alright, here one. Get a M4. Wanna hold that? Oh, vehicle identifier ready. Don't know. Oh, me gas look another one. Alright, me gas look down the M. Alright, get the yellow one. Oh. Orange one. Get the orange one. Go off-road. Even though this is not an off-road car, but them boy you're not going now. Alright, watch out go on now. We'll blow the helicopter here. Oh dear. Yeah, one and I have no visual for me, one of them. Leave from Boya. I don't have no visual Boya, no way. Oh, visual. Get through with a visual. Bad. I'm too no self. Alright, boy them over there, sir. Go on each person until them gone. You see it? Take down that. Knock it. People, if you see the thing I blink, because of the mods them, you see me? But it's not gonna do it all the while still. I just sometimes it's gonna do it, but one of them thing there. Alright, the boy them know me car, so I'm gonna change my car again. Pick the Pick the Vanquish. But I know my car. I'm not gonna do that one I do. The police officer in a way there. Go that way. Nice and sweet. Escape. No one yourself. Okay, so basically what I must say, my vehicle has been identified, but not me. So I could change vehicle again on the board them. Take out the M3, yellow, favorite color. So I escape with the money, I have the money, I get the money, people. Yeah, me? Yeah. So like I'm escape, I'm asking a wriggle quickly before I wrap up the video. So how that? You drive past me so fast, man, you're frightening me. Alright, so here we go now. The wriggle is me's a odd number. Take away one letter from me, and I become even. Me what? This is a maths one. What me do them police in a life? Yo, watch it, you can't catch me. You not catch me, pan no have. You not catch me. Me not make you catch me. No self. No self. So answer the regular for your shout out, you see it? Where you do that for? Come out of my way. Come out of my way. Don't do nothing stupid. Don't do nothing stupid.
Right here, right now.
Don't do nothing stupid. What you say? What you want now? What you want me to do? What you want?
Get that son of a bitch.
Who? Who are gonna get me? Who do you have to get me? Hey, dog, let me tell you this. Let me tell you this, dog. I'm here alone there. Don't get arrested in the Frank. Oh God. Oh God. Oh! Man, them lick me down.
Why you do it, John Croft?
Ah! Get up now, brother. Watch out. Oh, wait a minute. Him creeper. They match him up. Watch out. I'm bedding me now. Yo, I joke this. Tell me say I joke this, people. Alright, so warrant lifted. I don't have no warrant now, so I'm free to do what I want to do. So I could get a car and leave yourself. Because I don't know what going on a while ago. Like, big man thing, I know what going on a while ago. Obviously, I escape with the money. So, I have a Bentley, you see it? I have a Bentley, you see it? So I go try to go back at my house. Where my house is from here, so I go at my house now. Go and rest off, you see me? So yeah, answer the regular people. And don't know that already. And just want to thank the whole enough for being here, for supporting me. And for sticking around, you know. I can't thank you enough. I want to make it possible. So my job is to just give you good content and entertain. Oh no. And that's how I try it, you understand? So if you not enjoy them episode, then please make sure you like the video. You see me? Like the video. Because like I said before, it helped me, you see me? Oh God, police are forward after me now. What me do? Me don't even speed. Me not speed. The speed limit is 70. Me I got 70, bro. I wasn't speeding, dog. The police need to go in now and allow me now. Bad mind, you know. Bad mind them, bad mind. Because me have nice car and them can't have no car like my one. See, watch me, I can pull me over now. I get ticket, you know. Come and I run from them. I get ticket, come and I run from them. Me need gas too? No, my gas can't carry me one. Where am I? What am I do? Alright, let me stop. Let me pull up in a safe place. Pull up. Alright, cool. Me stop. Officer, what now? What am I doing? What am I doing in life? What am I doing in life, officer?
Howdy.
Oh, do what? Kiflan yourself. You were doing 80 in a 50 miles per hour zone on Joshua Road. Really? Really? Bad mind, you know. Bad mind a kill you, you know. Bad mind a kill you. $500. Alright. And give me a ticket, dog. And give me a ticket, brother. So me I go. Oh! Stop sign. Hey boy, you never. What you do? So you want stop sign there, you know? You just run the stop sign, you know? Let me go around here, yeah. And a time fair. What? Next ticket again you give me? Next ticket again you give me, dog? You're wicked. You're a wicked officer. You don't have nothing about you. Officer, you're wicked enough.
Hey there.
Kiflam.
Everyone wants to stick their grubby hand in Uncle Sam's cookie jar.
You too. Me not take it.
No.
Move from my sir. Yeah, me the son of a bitch. Me not take a ticket from you. You're a thief. But you want to give me ticket again. Know yourself. Me take one, me not take two. Bright. Me I got me hard. For ticket. Me a idiot. I'm too now. Me just drop back and come like you know, me just waste all my little money for no ticket. You know go here. No time for no. Watch it. Benty man a drive. Know yourself. Watch it.
Too close.
Ease down. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, cool. Now go over the side. That's over the side. Army base. You think I idiot? Vehicle identify. Come on from the screen, man. Yo. Alright, man, pull over. 101. Whoi! Don't shoot. Oh, no. Me just pull over phone and not shoot me. Oh, no wicked, sir. Oh, that's so wicked and lie. I wasn't no threat to you, know. Hide back of the car. Hide back of the car. Look at that. Look at that. Them boy now hold my man. Now make them catch me. Go to the gas station. Double back. Watch it, youth. No self. Watch it. No self. People, when I get a really long episode today. You notice that? A really long episode. Watch it, man. I might touch my car with a little idiot. Police cruiser. Also, people, I'm not going to do no more police mods. Hear that? Because the police mod that crashed my computer, like I said before. Where my house? See my house. Go down in there. Boy, them can't see me. Quick. Open no gate. Quick. Lock back. And the police come down on my yard, you know, them a trespass me. I'll kill you all of them, you know. And in my garage. Yeah. That's rich. Escape. So people, this is how I'm gonna end the video here. If you like the video, please click like on the video. Please comment down below and let me know what you think about the house, what you think about the boss. See it there? Jordans, J's. I have a whole heap of Jordans. I have a whole heap of clothes. So let me know what you think about the episode here. If you don't want to see more like this, like me say, the police episode now go there. So people, until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video, which is gonna be soon. You hear that? Make sure you answer the wriggle. Forget your shout out. You hear that? And also, before me leave, I'm gonna put the Instagram thing on screen right now. Go over there, so go follow this link here, follow this page here. The link I got there in the description of this video. You understand? So thanks for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.